Hi friends, this is H. Mariappa Ediwal, Advocate, Sindanur. I am practicing as an advocate since 2005 at Sindanur Taluka JFC Court. Today is World Mother's Day. On this special Mother's Day, I am willing to say or I want to share my opinion about World Mother's Day. Actually, I am from very poor family. My native place is Raichur district, Sindur Taluk, Ediwal village, Karnataka state, as well as my parents are so poor. I am the second son of the Mr. and Mrs. Mariamma Vasenappa. Basically, my parents are Christian. I am also Christian. Due to poverty, my parents are unable to pay my school fees or a full daily food to us. My childhood life is so bad. In that time, my parents sent to me boarding school at Musky St. John Church. At this time, the parish priest was Reverend Father Santan Quatras. He is from Mumbai. I am very happy to say that the St. John Church Musky parish priest Father Santan Quatras is very good person and well known about society as well as when I joined the Musky body. That time many children like me are in the body from different of the villages. While I am studying in second standard, Father Santan Quatras visited to Europe in my country name Belgium for spiritual and religious tour. He met one lady in Belgium. Her name is Berit Grahal. He asked her to help poor children who were studying at Maski Church, but he did not ask anything for himself. He asked for her to help the poor children. So, as well as that lady, Berit Grahal is ready to help the poor children for their study and shelter, and also she sponsored two children. In that two children, myself and another one from Medignad village, Deva. With all this, by thinking about India or thinking about poor children, she started there with her friends one group who are interested to help poor children in India through her to Father Santan Quatras. Day by day, she searched more than 500 sponsored parents to poor children like me. Exactly, I know. When I am studying 4th standard, she alone visited India and she came to Musky as well. She met me and she told very happily and artfully, "You are my son, and further I am taking care of you and your education. You don't worry." And she stayed with us in Musky Church more than 1 week, and she visited our village Edibai, and she meet my parents and she takes photos of my family. With all this, I am very excited and surprised. If you imagine that moment, how it will be. It is like to be you. And every 2 years once, she visited India with her team and encouraging to poor children to study hard and come up with our life When I was in 10th standard, she visited again India with her team, sponsor parents of different children. She and her team always spending more time with the children. I am also understanding little bit of English, and that time maybe it is an evening 4 to 5 p.m. All the children of the boarding simply playing in the ground. She came outside of the room and she called all children, and we gathered around her. She told by making action, please, you have to study hard and come up in your life. What you are thinking about us, we know, but it is totally wrong. We are not rich people. We are also poor, like your parents. Do you know what is cost of tea, food in Belgium? You will be shocked. It is 90% more than India cost. Well, we are, for sake of your study, food, school fee, we are sacrificing tea one time per week and one time food, and we are sacrificing to celebrate our birthdays once, and we are using that money for your education. Hence, please study well. If you study well, you will come up your life. While she is saying about this, her eyes are full by tears, and I am also shocked and wonderful about their sacrifice. Where is Belgium and where are we? How they are doing and why they are helping us? What kind of relation? How much they are loving us and what they will get from us? So many questions arise in my mind with full of tears. On that day, I decided to study well, and we have come up our life and we must achieve our goals. With all this, after PUC, I did join the 5 years LLB course in Gulbarga University, and in the year 2004, my sponsor mom, Baristi Grahal, is died by brain tumor disease, and that time I am at the 4th year of LLB. It hurt me so much and so much pain. It seems to say that we lost a great heartful woman as our mother, and we lost angel, and we lost goddess of our children. I am being a sponsored son of Baristi Grahal. I fulfill her dreams and I completed my study in the year 2005, and I joined to practice as an advocate in Sindhanur JMFC court. I am always remember her and her words. Along with me, many children and girls are completed education, and now they are doing good job in society. Dear friends and my brothers and my sisters, today what you are seeing me, it all credit goes to my sponsor mom, Baristi Grahal, and her team, and especially Reverend Father Santan Quatras is also no more now. Today, I am having good position in society and I am trying to give social justice to my clients and society as well as due to my good work. Here, all my clients and friends and well wishers are standing with me and they are established one fans club, fans group in my name, that is H. Mariappa Edigibal Advocate Fans Group. At every year, my fans are putting or establishing free drinking water in summer time in front of the Taluka Court at Sindhanur. It is not an easy to establish and fans group. I am very grateful to my fans group president and members. It credit also go to my sponsor Mom Berit Grahal and her team, and also my friends and my clients and my well wishers are identified in me. Social work. They register a charitable trust in my name. It is called as H. Mariappa Vakilaru Edigibal Charitable Trust, Sindhanur. Through this trust, we are helping poor peoples and needy peoples, needy of food, shelter, etc., and helping to our society in every manner. With all this, today I am having everything in my life and leading happy life in society, but my sponsor Mom Berit Grahal is not here to see the fruits of the tree. I am always feeling that she is with me and I am seeing her, I am feeling her in my work and in my every steps. Hence, today's World Mother's Day credit goes to my mother, my sponsor mother, Berit Grahal. I am very grateful to her and her team. Thank you.